6:41.
Yeah, and this morning and even today's temperature, I should say, on the last day of September, it's not going to be chilly like it was this weekend. It's going to be quite opposite. Let's get to our forecast with KIMT Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sara.
Thank you very much, Ariel. Tyler, good morning, everyone. She is right. It is going to be quite the opposite of what we felt over the weekend. We are warming up immensely. Brought a bit of fog over places like Charles City not too long ago, but a lot of that has lifted. You can still see the gray skies, though. Still very evident that cloudy skies are going to be around throughout the rest of the day. And Albert Lee's showing the same thing. Official sunrise is until a few minutes after 7 o'clock, so it's still a bit dark out as well. But even so, check out our temperature. 72 in Forest City as well as Austin. Pair of 70s in Owatonna, Albert Lee. A lot of that yellow is beginning to make its way across the area. And we are going to warm up very quickly, especially once the sun is officially up, despite being cloudy throughout the day. Now, Storm Tracker 3 picking up on nothing when it comes to rain. A lot of that activity continues to the east of us and to the north. In fact, quite a bit of it here. You can see the lightning flashes indicated by the silver there, the plus signs, the minuses. There's a lot going on in the upper atmosphere right now, and a lot of it is due in part to what's warming us up throughout the day, and that's the warm front that continues to inch its way to the north. As it does, once it officially passes, we're really going to feel the heat, the humidity, and as the low continues to make its way to the north, what follows behind it? It's going to be this cold front right here, tracking that pretty actively because it's going to do a few things to our weather conditions as we continue through the week. Before that, though, got to relish in the heat. It is already 75 degrees in Sioux City as well as Lincoln, Nebraska. Des Moines, 73, kind of reflecting where we're seeing that warm front lifting the heat in. And today's temperatures getting into the orange, the middle 80s, well above where we normally are around this time of the year, 66 degrees. Not today. We're also going to be dealing with a bit of a breeze. Winds coming in from the south-southwest, gusting around 35 miles per hour at times. So some wild winds to go with the wild heat. And Sky Tracker 3 here kind of showing that the sun is going to break through in some places as we get later on into the morning, ultimately into the afternoon. A lot of the clouds will thin out, and some of us will be seeing that sunshine breaking through. This is around 4 o'clock. What are our warmest points of the day? Now let's slip into the evening, and you can already see it. This is around 8:39, we're seeing the cold front beginning to sweep through, and as it does bring us the chance for a few scattered showers and some isolated storms. Now, with that being the case, all of us are under a marginal risk for severe weather development. That's a 1 in 5 chance, so a few isolated severe spots also possible. We've got our eye on it closely as midnight rolls through. Then the next talker, once the front moves through, it's going to stall out. When it does, it's going to bring us rain. Rainy Tuesday. That's what I am tracking. You'll see some reds, some oranges in there indicating heavier rain, although the chances for any storms during this time, very low. The rain is going to be relentless, and over the next 48 hours, some of us could be seeing upwards near 3 inches of fresh rainfall. You can see where the majority of it is looking to fall just south of I-90, places like Mason City, Forest City looking near that 3-inch mark. Again, that's over the next 2 days. You'll see it reflected here in the 7-day forecast where the weekend is always in view. Soggy Tuesday, soggy Wednesday, also chilly. We start the week at 84 degrees. We end the week in the upper 50s. That is what happens during these transition periods, and we are going to feel it.
And you don't have to be a math expert to know that feel. You're just going to feel it.
Oh, absolutely. It's going to be quite the chill.
Yeah. October, right away.
Well, yeah, well, summer is officially